You know, stumbling on icy surfaces in mountain environment, that's not an option. Nobody wants to do that. And therefore, one major risk of stumbling in the end is an excessive strap overhang. To avoid this strap overhang, our engineers invented a very simple yet clever solution. By simply adjusting this buckle back and forth, you can adjust the strap length and therefore avoid any risk of stumbling. It's always the perfect length. How were we able to make this crampon that lightweight? So with 795 grams, this crampon is the lightest 12-point crampon on the market. Our engineers were able to shape a 3D surface into this crampon. They could remove material this way, making it lighter and even stronger. If you have a look at the anti-balling plate, well, this is for the first time ever, it seals the entire undersurface. Also, it is flexible, so snowballing is not an issue. If we sum this up, lightest 12-point crampon on the market today, the very clever strap management system we have invented, which adds to your safety, and in the end, also the effective anti-balling plate, make sure that this is an outstanding crampon.